Rara aban ayaresabia ayaresabia bakwa esopa ewo otimantem nim enam so ama omanfo omo efiri rara omo wo amanone akomo ho abom abompanyfo ahodo a omo eneda ayaresabia nano abaso enam adwumaden ene modembo omo ye ede aboa omanfo omo ewo oti ene ne mpotem ewo abasobode ahodo omo de ebrempanyfo no edi aneda so ene Dr. Geoffrey Kumi Leadership Awards empanyfo ahodo omo nsa eka abasobode ni bi Dr.Isaac Secorm I born a baswa a stewardship of Rara Government Hospital in Oti region.
This is an award from Rara Development Association of North America, and I would like to read it. It said Dr. Geoffrey Otimpong Kumi MD Leadership Award, presented to Dr. Isaac Secorm for his stewardship of Rara Government Hospital in Oti region, Rara Development Association of USA, Canada, and UK. So we thank you very much for your dedication. So this award.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Afi Dr. Yirenkyi Awudi Juma ewo Koforidia aban ayaresabia sosonom yebonabaso efa medical and humanitarian service to Oti region.
So this award is also, this is Dr. Geoffrey Otimpong Kumi Medical Doctor Leadership Award, presented to Dr. Yirenkyi for his medical and humanitarian service to Oti region, Rara Development Association of USA, Canada, and UK. We thank you for your dedication.
Thank you.
Ena majumadi ampanfo mienu abontino Dr. Isaac Secorm efasa akonya ne so ede aside modro ekomom omanfo efiraro omo abrochimamu enkankan omo ewo USA, Canada, ene UK ewo animonyam hyesronko a omo de ahye omo no omo kyerese ewom se adwuma na wo ho no edindie nenso ena memmoa hodo omanfo rara ede ebo omo ntino ama ayefo mbekoso aye adwuma ede asomomo.
So on behalf of the awardees, we want to say we are so grateful and thankful for appreciation of the work we've been doing over the years. As you all know, working the Oti region comes with its own challenges. But by the grace of God and with the support of the town, and also the Raman in North America and Canada, the support has been of tremendous help. Because all this time, you guys have been helping us, supporting us, donating to support us. You bought our first ECG machine, which is still in use, and it's really helping in diagnosing a lot of patients. We are so grateful for organizing hard work. I think for me, this is a very appreciable award.
Yeah.
I think the first time I've received
an honor.
Yeah. And I feel so honored at this time of my life. So grateful. God bless you.
Dr. Yirenkyi so edi aside modro ekoma empanyfo ahodo omoye apomdin ho adwuma ewo otimantem nimu enyina.
I just want to thank the association for recognizing the work I am doing in the Oti region.
Yeah.
But when I started, I never knew that someone over there was watching me, looking at me, and looking at the activities. But this award, I want to say that it's not only for me, it's for the whole medical staff who are helping me, especially my family, who have been so supportive. So once again, I thank the Raman Association, and I believe more awards will come soon, because I'm going to